Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to create an expense claim within the expenses application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the expenses app, he or she can simply click on the add expense button and click on the claim option. The claim option can be used in order to request for the reimbursement of any amount that has been spent by the user. The various categories of expense are displayed here, and the user can also select multiple categories within a single request. Once done, the date of submission and the legal entity of the person who is creating is autofilled, and the cost center in which the user is currently present is to be typed in. The department is autofilled, and the description of the expense that has been taken place is to be typed along with the total expense amount. The date of billing and the total duration of the expense can also be changed by the user. Once this is done, the approvers are retrieved based upon the cost center and the amount that has been entered. The various people involved while the expense took place can also be mentioned. Finally, an invoice of the expense that took place can be attached. This invoice can also be attached through the KEBS bot, which will be covered in a later video. Once all these steps are done, the user can either save this claim as a draft and can submit it later, or can simply click on the create claim option and the expense will be created successfully. The approval workflow is also triggered accordingly. Thank you for watching.